Hello guys, good evening. What are you doing? Come with me. I have experienced 10 years in office. How are you? I am fine. I hope so. You are fine. Today I teach you pivot table used in MS Excel. How to get start. You can see first select all data, Ctrl A. Second, just click pivot option. Then ask pivot question. Select a range table. Yeah, so you can see the range start and use the new options. Yeah, new option. You can see new option, click, then OK. Pivot table option there, and I am just click in fill column. So you can see fill in column. And second, just click draw the row. You can see here the data row region wise. I am check East Zone Sale. I check East Zone Sale. Just click. You can see today I will check region wise sale. So first of just click region, click the fill the row, and second click item, draw the row, item, draw the row. You can see draw the row. You can see guys, eastwise item, east in item house, mobile, pen. North region item computer, milk, notebook. So item CPU, laptop. Best region item bag, cap, and just click quantity. So you can see guys, East zone 136 quantity, house 76, mobile 50, pen 10, north 129, computer 35. I will check milk 67, north zone, notebook 27, north zone. Second south zone, third south zone, CPU 28, laptop 35, total 58, and west zone, bag 90, cap 36. I will check sale. Just click. You can see guys, sale, east zone sale, total 175542, north zone sale north zone sale 10794467, north zone sale 10794467, and south zone sale 110454. Mix item CPU, laptop. Next, west zone sale, total 1704650. Item best zone bag and cap. I will check. Next, just click FA. Just click FA. Bittu computer sale, Amit milk sale. Just click F, draw the click. You can see guys, Amit, just click F, remove the pointer, and date. You can see guys, date wise 192023 year. Its zone, house quantity 76, sale 98765, mobile item. Its zone, one date 5/2023, 50 quantity and amount 46,777. Next, pen. Its zone, sale, one date 1 month 2023 year, sum of quantity 10 and amount 4 times 0. You can see. Not zone, you can see one date 1 month 2023 year, item 35, quantity 35, item computer, sale 9765567. You can see guys, I just click age, sum of age. We can see guys, age, name, no, just click. You can see guys, Amit, Bittu, Jay, Mukesh, and you can see guys, Amit, and you can see guys, name wise, sale, quantity and age. You can see Nitesh, house sale, its zone, quantity 76, sale amount 98765, age 27. You can see total sale 175542, a total is 72. Mix Nitesh, Rohit, Jay. North zone, total sale you can see 10794467, and date wise you can see, just click date wise, just click date wise. So you can see guys, one date Nitesh, house sale, age 28, sale 98765, quantity 76. Rohit, one date mobile sale, quantity 50, sale 46777, age 24. You can see pen, sale Jay, one date you can see guys 20, age, exam computer bit 2, not zone. You can see guys, down you can see guys, laptop, south zone CPU. You can see quantity, sale, age, west side, bag, Sanju, back sale, quantity 90, sale and age. You can see guys, beer 1 date 20, sale 40,000, 20 age. Rahul, red zone, Rahul cap sale 36 piece and quantity 36 piece, sale 87, 5653, age 25, 1 date zone west and total. You can see guys, total 44,900, quantity sale 137,79113, total sale age 275, total members age. You can see guys how index pivot table, how to use pivot table used in Excel, how to use pivot table in Excel. You can see guys, full watch guys, like, share, subscribe.